miss us? Me too. I feel like I'm dreaming.
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so we've prepared some songs.
Yeah.
About 3 songs, and we're gonna start from now, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my god, I feel like I'm getting nervous a little bit. Anyway, what was our first song? 뭐였지 첫 번째 노래? 영화. Let's go.
Thank you for coming.
Wow, you guys are incredible. Oh my god. Wow, so you guys are, all of you guys are VIPs, right? Wow, you guys are so cool. Welcome.
Sweet. It's lit.
A lid.
Lit.
She learned a kind of slang. Do you know lit? Yeah. She said, you guys are lit. Wow.
테디베어. 테디베어. 뮤직비디오 의상을 입고 계세요.
together there.
STY.
Orange shirts.
Amazing.
Are you guys friends with each other? Family? Friends?
Friends?
Friends.
Thank you.
Wow, so cool.
Good. Looks so good.
Okay, so do you guys want next song? Run to you. What do you guys want? Just shout out.
Next song is my favorite song.
This song is my favorite one too. Who will introduce the next song? 누가 소개해줄래? 다음 노래.
Jay. 오케이. 힌트를 주자면 발라드예요.
She'll give you a hint. This is a ballad.
Yeah.
Ballad.
약간 조금 나 이거 상처야.
I got hurt. No, not lawful.
아 힌트였어요. 그냥 알려드릴까요? 와, 이 노래 빼고 다 나오고 있어요.
Except for this song.
Oh my gosh.
I think it was.
Complex! Do you know Complex? Good.
Sometimes everything will better when I know to know that I won't be together.
Wow, I'm so happy.
You guys, listen, you guys can 한국어, Korean well, Korean well?
네.
한국어로 잘 불러줘요.
You're singing so well in Korean. 너무 잘해요.
No, you guys are so good at Korean.
You're good at
Yeah.
Korea.
I think all of you guys, I think you guys all memorize our lyrics, right? How did you do that? Because you love me? Because you love us? That's music?
Thank you.
You guys are the best.
We love you!
Sammy, it is almost the last song. Actually, it is the last song.
Oh, beautiful monster.
Will you sing along this time, Beautiful Monster? Ready? Like this, yes I know. That's right.
Wow. Oh, really?
Great.
Okay, let's go.
You guys go. This is reggae version. Let's go. Stacey guys. check is our first time, right? This is our first touch.